Oh yeah,
Okay.
If you go to screen share and then you change your screen, it stops doing that.
I'm just talking right now. I don't care if it's there. Okay. Starting over. Like I said, the diagram of all the tissues. For people at home, it kind of looks like that.
People watching at home.
Okay. Oh.
Send in your videos to see the man.
And the diagram of skin. These are all stuff, y'all. It is a picture in your book, and looks like that. Alright, so you'll have to not only label parts, but also you need to know it by function. So you need to know what a tissue is. You should be able to talk about all the muscle tissue, all the three types, be able to compare and contrast based on structure, function, and location in the body. In structure, I mean like striations, are they present or not? Is it multinucleate, uninucleate? Spindle shape, long, cylindrical, whatever, that kind of stuff. Okay, function, is it voluntary, involuntary? Where's it located? All of that stuff. All right. So what are ligaments and tendons? What type of connective tissue are they? And what are they? So they connect bones to bones, muscles to bones. What's their function? You should know, in general, all connective tissue types consist of living cells surrounded by an extracellular matrix. You should understand that. You should understand the fibers that are found in the extracellular matrix. What properties do those fibers convey? So does it make the tissue strong? Does it make it elastic? Does it make it whatever? You should know where different types of connective tissue in particular is found in your body. So where's hyaline cartilage found? Where is fibrocartilage found? Where is all the different stuff? Blood. Why is blood considered a tissue? And where is it found? What is histology in general? So epithelial tissue, you should know all the functions of them, you should know characteristics of epithelial tissue. Is it vascularized or not? Does it regenerate or not? So like that. We talked about that. Fat and adipose tissue, it's the same thing. What is it? Functions of fat, adipose tissue, functions of all the tissue, really. So nervous tissue is made up of what? Neurons and supporting cells, majority neurons. Functions in general of connective tissue. Elastic cartilage, where is that found? Yeah. All that stuff. All right. And then I think the four tissue types in general, their functions in general. Okay, and then we move into the skin. So, functions of skin, all the functions of skin. You should know in particular about thermoregulation and how the skin is responsible for helping thermoregulation of your body. All the things that your skin does, yes. Oh, thanks. Okay, functions of skin. It includes vitamin D, protection from abrasion, thermoregulation, I already talked about that. So how does your skin thermoregulate? Sweating, evaporative cooling. What else? Adipose tissue, hypodermis, insulation. Yes, yes. And vasodilation and vasoconstriction of the capillaries and the dermis. All of that, you should explain all of that. That is sort of a short answer situation. Okay. Speaking of sweat, what are the different types of sweat glands? Eccrine and apocrine. What type of sweat do they make? So the eccrine sweat glands is like the true sweat. The components of true sweat. Okay. Where are sweat glands located on the body? Those types, the apocrine sweat glands, where are those located on the body? The differences between those two types. Speaking of other glands over there, let's talk about sebaceous glands. You need to know that, like, where are they located in the skin? Usually they're associated with the hair follicle. They produce sebum. What is sebum? The function of sebum. Where are sebaceous glands located on the body? Everywhere except for your palms, your hands, or your feet. Okay. All right, going back to the actual skin. So if you think about the structure of skin, you have the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. So the epidermis, what are the layers of cells in the epidermis? You need to know the order from like most superficial to the deepest layer in order. One of the multiple choice questions will be like, these are the orders of the epidermis in, or this is the order of the epidermal layers from, let's say, deepest to most superficial, or the other way around. Oh, know in general what happens in each of those layers. So the stratums are monatoderm or stratum basal is the deepest layer. Those cells are the ones that are highly mitotic, replacing the other layers above. The melanocytes are located in that layer as well. I'm talking really fast. Speaking of melanocytes, you should know how skin pigment is produced. So melanin, but also the hemoglobin and also keratin all work to contribute to pigment of skin. Okay. You should know some of those things that are there. So pallor, erythema, jaundice, what are those? Have to do with skin color. You should know about that. Those are sort of like imbalances of skin color. All right. You should know what else? Keratin, what's the role of keratin in your integumentary system? So in your skin, but also in your hair and your nails. What does it do?
Makes it stronger
Mm-hmm.
and waterproof.
Yes. And there's hard keratin in your hair and your nails and soft keratin in your skin. Let's see. Sebum, I said that. Subcutaneous is the same thing as hypodermis, understand that. Epidermis is sweat, talked about that. Skin color, blah, 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 blah. So I said you don't have to know like the structure necessarily of hair and nails, the detailed structure, but you should know generally what they're made up of. And are they dead or are they living? You know, like is this alive or not? Kind of deal. Yes, I'm not there yet. I'm not there. Okay. You should know. That. Speaking of burns, what are the different types of burns? Don't tell me. I'm just telling you. And in general, this severity. You should watch the video. The difference between thick and thin skin. You should know that. What type of things cause burns? All right, skin cancer. So the 3 types of skin cancer. Skin cancer, yeah. The most common type of skin cancer and the most dangerous, like the general stuff about it.
You need to know the ABC group.
I would.
Okay. I don't know if it's I don't know if it's because maybe I want to go one more because enough you actually get exactly.
Talk about those. Okay. That's pretty much it.
That's it.
So that's not so bad. I will take your test review in a minute, but before we do that, are there any general questions?
Bodhi just sent me a question. He said, he asked Ms. Spiner if the extra credit 5 different other diseases.
What?
I think
You said when we were-
it's just describing the 5 things we do.
Like identify 5 already.
Yeah, there's gonna be more than that, but that, I will tell you the other one.
That's part of it.
What will make you laugh a little?
5 other than burns or cancer.
What will make you laugh a little?
Just say yeah.
The ones that y'all did, like those don't include, you know, that.
That doesn't include the 2 first projects.
I got half a point.
Well, that's their outline.
Yeah. In our class, they were
Yeah,
first.
yeah. Any questions on your test review? No. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna check them by having you come up and show them to me. And then I have some Jeopardy things we're gonna do. Now, these are all, I'd rather do Kahoots, but I don't have time to make Kahoots. So we're just gonna do the old Jeopardy, but you know, hey. It'll be sort of fun. So I'm gonna stop the video.
Doesn't Steven have to